Heyo, boss, and welcome back. Today we have a great recipe for you. This is our simple sauce recipe. Now it's not your Sunday sauce that takes all day, but this is if you want to make a nice homemade sauce on a busy weekday or weekend. This is a great recipe for you. Inexpensive, quick and easy, and it's Chef's wife's recipe. There's a picture of her recently right there. So she's going to be doing the cooking while Chef handles the camera. We're going to see how this all works out. Let's get cooking. So first off, you're going to start with some ground beef, 1 pound, in a large skillet. Go ahead and cook this up and then just start to break apart the meat as it's browning. Once it's fully cooked, you're going to add some chopped up onions and peppers. And then just mix these all together and add your garlic. This is minced garlic. Not sure why Chef's wife puts it in the middle like that, but it's her rodeo, so we're not asking questions. Okay, a little bit of garlic powder, and then mix this around. We're gonna add some salt and pepper to taste. And don't forget, all the ingredients will be listed down below. So after another good mixing, keep going. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our tomatoes, our diced tomatoes, and our marinara sauce. That's it, get every drop, get it all. Now Chef's wife, as a tip, throws a little bit of water in the container and just pours it in. It's up to you, just a little trick she does. Then just give it a good stir. Next up, Chef's wife's gonna go ahead and add some Parmesan cheese. And bring this up to a boil. And give it one more good stirring. Now we're gonna put the lid on and let it simmer for about an hour, a little over, it's up to you. A good hour or so. When it's ready, you feel comfortable, go ahead and serve it over whatever pasta you would like. It could be gluten-free, of course. We're gonna do regular spaghetti for our dish here. And there you have it. So there's your simple sauce. We got some garlic bread with that. And of course we put some grated cheese on top, grated Parmesan cheese. And that's about it. Doesn't take too long to cook in terms of sauce. And it's inexpensive, and you can really do this during the weekday. So we really enjoy this dish. Chef's wife makes it for him a lot. We love it, it's a classic. And thanks again for joining us. Great job, Mrs. Chef. And don't forget everyone, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.